Here we're going to take a look at product to a power rule. When we have a product AB and it's raised to the power of n, it simplifies into a to the power of n times b to the power of n. So here we have to simplify 5x to the power of 3. This power of 3 on top of this parenthesis means we have 3 factors of 5x. If we rearrange and simplify this, we get 5 times 5 times 5, x times x times x. So this is 5 to the power of 3, x to the power of 3, or 125 x to the 3. What product to power rule does is it allows us to just distribute this power to the bases, and we get 5 to the power of 3 times x to the power of 3, which also simplifies into 5 to the 3 is 125 x to the 3. Here we have to simplify negative 2y to the third raised to the fourth power. Before I distribute the power, I want to note that we have negative 2 to the first power because we only have one factor of negative 2. Now we can distribute 4 into the exponents and get negative 2 to the power of 1 times 4, y to the power of 3 times 4. This becomes negative 2 to the power of 4, y to the power of 3 times 4 is 12. Negative raised to an even power becomes a positive. 2 to the 4 is equal to 16. So 16y to the 12th is our solution. If you are not sure, we can always rewrite this parenthesis 4 times because it's raised to the fourth power. And we have negative 2y to the 3, negative 2y to the 3, negative 2y to the 3, negative 2y to the 3. Negative 2 times negative 2 we get positive 4, times negative 2 we get negative 8, times negative 2 we get positive 16, y to the power of 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, and we get 16y to the 12th. So we got the same solution writing it out the long way. Here we have to simplify negative 3 x to the negative 1 y to the 2 raised to the negative second power. So before I apply the product rule, I want to note that negative 3 is to the power of 1 because we only have one factor of it. And since I'm distributing negative 2, I want to put it inside of the parentheses because multiplying by a negative, you want to have it inside of the parentheses so you don't confuse it with subtraction. So we get negative 3 to the power of 1 times negative 2, x to the negative 1 times negative 2, and y to the power of 2 times negative 2. This becomes negative 3 to the power of 1 times negative 2, negative 2, x to the power of negative 1 times negative 2, positive 2, y to the power of 2 times negative 2, we get negative 4. So we need to simplify the negative exponents by moving them into the denominator. So this will become, x has a positive exponent, so it will stay in numerator. So x to the second out of negative 3 to the second, y to the fourth. So let's simplify negative 3 to the second. We have x to the second out of negative 3 times negative 3 gives us positive 9, y to the fourth. So x to the second 9y to the fourth is our solution. That's all.